These are also horizontal. That's why I'm using horizontal lines. Adding greenish and a bit of not bright blue, so the same blue that I used here on the horizon. And blending them together with this rolling wave. The foam is on some places white, on some places it is shadow color, it's like bluish. That's why I will do like the mirror effect. And reflection I'm doing in vertical lines. So here, on the places I have shadows, I'm adding dirty bluish middle value. And for the places where I have light, I'm adding vertical lines to create the idea of the reflection from the light foam. And now I will blend them vertically. So that's the rule. When you apply in vertical direction, you blend the same way vertically. If you apply in horizontal, you do the same in horizontal. On the places where I have the lightest light and the shadow in the foam, I will add a bit of light here, even more light, perhaps even white, just a bit. And also blending. And now I will work with some horizontal movements on top of my already done reflection. This is middle blue. Very smooth and a bit of roundish shapes. And I will blend very soft. Now I will take in a lighter blue. It's important that you leave your previous layers so you do not overdo. I see here a very nice color, darker one. Not blending everything together, just a bit of strokes, just blend some of blending strokes, that's it. When it's too decorative, like too many strokes, I just blend some of them. And now lighter color on the edge of this foam. And even a bit of white. And also here some lines. But not everywhere. Be accurate with white. I do want that this is still connected and this shadow is a bit too intensive. That's why I'm using a bit of blending technique, because otherwise it will look like separate, like a carpet on the sand, but it's not a carpet, it's water, and in most places it connects, and the shadow that you apply is not too bright, not at all. I will add some the color that I love. This. I don't see it there, of course, but I love how this color plays with blue. And a bit of very intensive white. You can call them highlights, whatever you want. I just love these tiny ideas of some lights.